Did you ever just come across a product that was too good not to share? Because that recently happened to me, and man, do I have a treat for you. Super simple, not a lot to this, however, it's an awesome idea. So I'm holding 3 steel rulers, or as they're more commonly called in the trade, 3 steel scales. While these are great, they're accurate, and they work well, all of these have an underlying problem that's really, really annoying. Both of these sides are graduated, which is wonderful. However, in this case, on the top side, it's 1/8, on the bottom side, it's 1/16. So if you're measuring this way and you're measuring in 1/8, and you flip it around and you pick it up to measure the other way, now you're in 1/16, which is really, really annoying. But check this out. This company, HEI, or Heavy Equipment Ironworks, came up with a fantastic solution to the problem. These are the same 6-inch scale like all of the others, but both sides are graduated the same. Metric on the back, imperial on the front. Very, very high quality piece. They appear to be like laser etched. Pretty darn affordable. Not a whole lot to this video other than showcasing an awesome product. So again, as you can see, down here on the bottom we have 1/16, on the top we have 1/8, which is fine if you're really good at doing like super quick math in your head. But if you were measuring 1 3/8, now you have to go and think about, well, how many 1/16 is that? Which, is not difficult math to do, but when you're doing it all the time, that's really, really annoying. Whereas this one, whether you're measuring from this end or this end, you're on the same scale, which is really, really awesome. Again, metric on the back, imperial on the front. Really awesome piece, appear to be very accurate. Overall, just wanted to share an awesome product from what appears to be a really great company. This is the first time I've ever ordered anything from them. A friend of mine recently told me about them and said, hey, you got to check out these scales, they're super nice. So I ordered 2 to look them over, see what I thought, and needless to say, these other ones are probably going to go in the junk drawer because I won't be using them anymore. With that said, I just wanted to throw something out there for this company's research and development team. This is a super cheap scale. I believe I probably got it off of Amazon. It's a General brand, and it has a slider which doubles as a pocket clip. And what I really like about this little slider is you can set a depth, stick it in, measure your hole, and a real super quick visual reference. However, this thing's really janky. I don't know if you can see in the video. That's how much looseness or free play it has or whatever. It's thin, could be bent. I really like the pocket clip. What I find myself doing is sticking it up here in my hat a lot. So what I'd love to see you do, if you're able to, or, I don't know what it would cost to do this. I'd love to see some sort of a slider like this on the scale with a bit of a ridge on it so you can butt into a hole and you have kind of a stop to measure the depth of a hole. I personally think that would be awesome. I don't think it would add a lot to this cost-wise. Of course, I have absolutely no idea what making something like this would cost for a production run, but I think it'd be an awesome idea. Just thought I would throw it out there. If you can make the pocket clips, sign me up for 2 of them. I'll be your first 2 customers. That's it. Not a lot to it. Pretty awesome steel scales. I think you'll like them. Check it out. I purposely showed you the sticker. Heavy Equipment Ironworks is the name. They have a lot of other products, many of which are far out of my price range and not really something that I need anyways, but check it out. I'm sure you won't be disappointed.